Now, I'm standing in front of the Confucius Institute at the University of Dar-es-Salaam in Tanzania.
The Confucius Institute at the University of Dar-es-Salaam was established in 2013 under an agreement between the University of Dar-es-Salaam, the Chinese International Education Foundation, and Zhejiang Normal University. The vision of the Confucius Institute is to be one of the leading Chinese language training and testing centers, as well as one of the best Chinese cultural and academic exchange centers in Africa.
10年来，孔子学院为坦桑尼亚培养了6万多的中文学习者，也为坦桑的学生提供了奖学金去中国留学。那么这些都为两国之间的这个相互理解就是提供了一些很大的帮助。另外，我们孔子学院呢设有中文师范专业，所以呢也为中学的汉语师资提供了保障。
I even went to China 1 year studying. It was the biggest opportunity I ever had, and also it helped me to interact with other people and also get a connection from Tanzanian people and also Chinese people. When I was in China, I get a lot of connection with people. Even when I came back, it was easy for me to have a job from Chinese people.
You have a lot of students who are going to China for study, not only languages. They go to study engineering or technology or medicine. If they have a background of the language, okay, they can see their way when they're there. So seriously, Confucius Institute, by opening up the certificate sessions or diploma now, or even a degree now, okay, you're opening a lot of chances and opportunities to our students.